la forma de grabación es, yo tengo una página web, pero igual la subo o sea, esta grabación va a subir a la página web mía o al Google Classroom, porque termino esto y la subo al Google Classroom al tiro, ¿ya? Así que, no sé, pues ¿tienen alguna consulta que hacerme por ahora, antes de empezar?
¿Me escuchó?
Un momento, profe.
¿Me escuchó? ¿Aló?
Sí, sí escucho
Ah,
bien.
ok. Profesor, las notas de esta asignatura van a ser divididas en porcentajes, igual que el semestre pasado.
Sí, exacta. Mira, ahora eso vamos a verlo una vez que partamos la clase y ojalá estén ya casi todos integrados. Les voy a dar el cronograma de cómo hacer la clase. Chiquillos, me esperan porque me está llamando el decano, así que por mientras, como todavía no parte, me esperan un segundito y vuelvo al tiro, ¿ya? Porfa.
Ya, profe.
Aló, Juan. Bien, sí, ¿cómo estamos? Ya, chiquillos, ya volví. Jaciel, tú me habías preguntado por el calendario, ya. Nosotros tenemos calendario y los porcentajes van a ver, hay algunas cosas que vamos a hacer distintas, ¿ya? Que van a ser un poquito distintas, pero yo se las voy a explicar ahora, ¿ya? Así que ahora cuando partamos inmediatamente les explico eh, cómo hacer el asunto y así ustedes lo tienen más claro, ¿ya? Aquí están llegando algunos chicos, entonces esperemos y partimos de inmediato. Entonces hasta ahora tengo a Iris, Danae, Danitza, Isidora, Jaciel, Juan Carlos, Millaray y se está incorporando Axel. ¿Ya? Y ahí estaríamos ya más o menos. Ya, pues partimos, chiquillos, son 19, perdón, 9:36, así que estamos en la hora. Ya, ahí se está incorporando Gabriela. Ya. So, good morning. My name, as you know, is Ricardo Núñez. I am going to be your teacher this semester. I hope we have a very good relationship. I am ready to help you at any moment, okay? At any moment. If you want to talk to me, don't worry or don't hesitate to talk to me, okay? I am always ready to help. This is my job, so I want to do it all the time. Well, this semester is going to be my first with you, yeah. So I have to give you some general ideas about the semester. I usually work with Miss Patty, so we work the same way, okay? We have kind of the same style, so you're going to see me as very similar to Miss Patty in the way I teach, all right? My way of teaching is kind of the same. Whenever you have any doubts about or any problem with what I'm teaching, don't hesitate to ask. O sea, you say, you just, raise your hand or whatever. If I can see you, you open your phones and your microphones and ask me, okay? Don't be afraid of asking. I am all the time ready to help. Now, I'm going to speak a little bit in Spanish in order to give you some of the general rules about the semester. Ya, chiquillo, me habían preguntado más o menos cómo era el sistema, les voy a compartir pantalla ahora para que veamos algunas de las... Ya, lo primero es esto. El cronograma, ¿lo están viendo o no?
No, profesor, todavía no.
Todavía
Ahora sí,
no.
creo que sí. Ahora creo que sí, espérame. Está cargando. Ahí sí, por lo menos a mí, no sé si los chiquillos.
¿Los demás ven? Sí, aquí está, me parece que está
Sí,
compartiendo.
profe, sí se ve.
Ya, ok. Este es el calendario de las pruebas y del sistema. Tienen que ver que hay tres cosas. Por ejemplo, vamos a tener 2 semanas y viene un paro, o no paro, no le pongamos paro, pero sí una detención por las fiestas patrias, ¿ya? Para que vayan a las ramadas y puedan ir a bailar, ¿ya? No lo vamos a tener ramadas este año, pero bueno, ese es un descanso, un primer descanso que vamos a tener a contar de septiembre 14 hasta septiembre 18, ¿ya? Ese va a ser una semana libre, o sea, vamos a tener 2 semanas y después viene una detención de las clases. Después tenemos 3 semanas y se detiene de nuevo por este proceso que se llama, que se va a imponer ahora, que se llama retroalimentación y sistematización académica. Van a haber 2 de estos, uno en la semana 6, octubre 12, y uno en la semana 10, noviembre 9, ¿ya? Y por lo tanto, nosotros estaríamos terminando, fíjense en la fecha, estamos terminando el 24 de diciembre, para la Pascua. Si no hay ningún problema, en Pascua estaríamos terminando. Si es que no hay paro, si es que no hay, etc. Entonces ustedes tendrían dentro del semestre 4, digamos, detenciones legales, no paralizaciones, sino que son detenciones. ¿Detenciones en qué sentido? En que en estas semanas que están aquí con rosado, ¿ya? Estas semanas, nosotros podemos estar disponibles para que ustedes nos hagan consultas, pero no podemos avanzar en los contenidos. ¿Ok? ¿Les queda claro? O sea, yo esa semana voy a estar aquí, yo igual, por ejemplo, el día lunes, el 12 de octubre, bueno, es festivo, pero si es, supongamos, el miércoles 14, yo voy a estar en la clase a las 9:35 y si alguno de ustedes quiere conectarse para hacerme preguntas o hay algún tema de que yo no haya pasado bien, que no haya cubierto bien, yo se los puedo hacer la clase de nuevo, a los que quieran, ¿ya? Pero yo lo que sí no puedo hacer es avanzar. ¿Se fijan? Entonces, esas son detenciones que van a ser para todas las asignaturas. No solamente en inglés, sino que también en las asignaturas que ustedes tienen que tomar este semestre. ¿Ya? ¿Ok? Entonces, ese es más o menos el esquema de semana. Estaríamos terminando el 24 de diciembre, si no hay paralizaciones. Ahora, aquí tengo yo, este calendario se los voy a poner hoy día mismo en Google Classroom, para que lo vean y lo tengan y lo guarden. ¿Ya?
¿Profe?
Después, ¿sí? Dime nomás.
¿Cuántas pruebas van a hacer entonces? ¿Son todas estas? Por ejemplo, de la de agosto 31 al septiembre 4, unidad 7, ¿eso es una prueba o está diciendo que entre esos días vamos a ver esa materia de la unidad 7 del libro?
Aquí tengo las pruebas. Aquí, ¿estás
Ah,
viendo?
ya.
Aquí.
Ya, gracias.
Ya, ya, mira. El Use of English sería el septiembre 25, para las 2 secciones a las 9:35. Y esa sería las unidades 7 y 8, con un peso académico del 15%. ¿Ya? Acuérdense que esto lo van a tener, así que no anoten nada, no es necesario, porque yo se los voy a subir hoy día a Google Classroom. Después, aquí hay un cambio, chiquillo. ¿Ah? Esto es cambio. ¿En qué sentido? Vamos a tener el mismo día, ¿ya? Reading and listening. El mismo día, con un 10%, ¿ya? Ambos casos. ¿Cómo va a funcionar esto? Nosotros vamos a partir a las 8:35 y ustedes van a poder partir por el reading o por el listening. Ustedes deciden. Y van a tener la mañana para eso. APP. ¿Ya? Ahora, los reading van a funcionar distintos y los listening van a funcionar distintos. ¿Por qué? Porque nosotros nos dimos cuenta que en el reading o los reading anteriores El objetivo del reading, como ustedes pueden darse cuenta, es que ustedes lean. Pero desafortunadamente en el sistema que teníamos antiguo no leían. ¿Por qué? Porque nosotros le poníamos una lectura de un momento, ustedes la leían ahí, en ese momento, algunos la leían, otros no la leían, sino que pescaban el celular y llamaban al amigo que era más capo y le decían, oye, ¿cuáles son las respuestas, no es cierto, de la 1, de la 2, de la 3, de la 4? Ya, y supongo son 7 preguntas, y el otro le dicta la 1A, la 2C, la 3D, etc. Y sin leer, podía sacarse hasta un 7. ¿Se dan cuenta? En cambio, ahora la idea es darle a ustedes lecturas para que ustedes lean, tengan comprensión lectora, y ese día contesten preguntas que nosotros le vamos a hacer sobre esas lecturas que ustedes han tenido que leer. ¿Ya? Entonces, el objetivo va a ser que ustedes lean. Primero, para ello nosotros le vamos a mandar la lectura 2 semanas antes. En esas 2 semanas ustedes tienen que leer. Las lecturas no van a ser terriblemente largas, sino que son lecturas pequeñas. Ojalá queremos tomar lecturas que tengan, no sé, a lo mejor sean reales, ¿ya? Y ustedes sobre esas lecturas van a tener que responder. El listening es lo mismo. En el momento van a tener un listening que nosotros se los vamos a poner, pero van a tener que responder preguntas que nosotros le vamos a hacer sobre el listening, no las que vienen preparadas. ¿Se fijan? Porque sabemos que si usted, tal como le decía, si el listening es, por ejemplo, qué sé yo, ¿qué es lo que dijo tal persona en tal parte? Es una sola la respuesta. En cambio, aquí van a tener la posibilidad de ustedes expresar su opinión. ¿Ya? ¿Ok?
Sí, profe.
Está claro. Preguntas. ¿Alguna pregunta antes de continuar?
¿Los reading van a ser textos que ustedes nos van a dar o va a ser algún tipo de libro que vamos a tener que
No,
conseguir?
libro no, porque yo sé que libro es muy difícil que tengan tiempo para leerlo. No, van a ser textos pequeños, pero 2 o 3 textos antes de la prueba. Entonces, ustedes van a tener que leer esos textos antes de la prueba, porque
O sea,
si se ponen a leer en el momento que le hacemos la prueba, imagínense, van a perder todo el tiempo en leer. La idea es que ya tengan preparados los textos, o sea, lo hayan leído, lo hayan trabajado, porque la idea es que usted le vamos a mandar el texto, entonces usted usen el diccionario, consulten el vocabulario, etcétera. Entonces ya tengan más o menos trabajados los textos. ¿Se fijan? Esa es la idea. No que sea en el momento nomás que lean y punto, y que comprendan un poquito. La idea es que lean, aunque sean lecturas pequeñas, pero lean, ¿ya? Porque creemos que ese es el objetivo de la lectura, que lean, no que comprendan un texto. Y en algunos casos yo sé que hay mucha gente que hace la lectura y las contesta solo, pero también supimos nosotros que había mucha gente que se llamaba por teléfono y entonces eso como que pierde el sentido, ¿ya? Entonces la idea es que ustedes preparen, van a tener todo el tiempo del mundo, porque nosotros le vamos a mandar la lectura 2 semanas antes, entonces van a poder leerla, ver el vocabulario, porque las lecturas se trabajan de esa manera, ¿ya? O sea, yo leo, comprendo la idea general, y después me voy al detalle. Por ejemplo, hay una palabra que no entiendo, la busco, ¿ya? Y con eso se avanza en el trabajo, ¿ya? Después vamos a tener un writing en octubre 26, que es de 10%. Ese writing, ¿no es cierto? Nosotros le damos un tema que seguramente va a ser relacionado con los temas que trabajamos en clase, y sobre eso ustedes tienen que escribir. La cuarta evaluación, el 20%, porque ya es, digamos, la gramática que ustedes han estudiado, va a ser de las unidades 9, 10, 11 y 12. Sería el segundo Use of English, ¿ya? 20%. Por eso tiene más carga, si ustedes pueden darse cuenta que el primer Use of English, que va a ser de 2 unidades nuevas, 7 y 8. Este van a ser 4 unidades y va a tener 20% en su carga. Eso va a ser el 7 de diciembre, ambas secciones. Y después tenemos los speaking, que ustedes ya saben cómo funciona, ¿no sé? A contar del 23 de noviembre. donde ustedes van a tener que juntarse en pares y nosotros le vamos a hacer 2 preguntas, una individual y una donde tienen que interactuar, y eso les va a dar una nota. Esperamos este semestre hacerlo, o sea, hacemos el speaking, ustedes se quedan en la sala de espera y le damos la nota al tiro.
Profe,
¿Sí? Dime.
el speaking es entonces en parejas, pero ¿la nota va a ser individual o en pareja?
No, la nota es individual,
Ah,
absolutamente
ok.
individual. Las parejas, ojalá nosotros les damos un tiempo para que ustedes se busquen con quién tienen mayor similitud, etcétera, y hacen las parejas. Ahora, si hay alguna persona que no puede o no tiene la posibilidad, bueno, se le hace individual. ¿Ya? Ya. Después tenemos el self-assessment, que ahí saben ustedes ya cómo funciona, ¿no es cierto? Ustedes se ponen una nota, pero nosotros les vamos a pedir la justificación de esa nota. Vale decir, si usted se puso un 6, o un 7, o un 4, o un 3, o la nota que se haya puesto, usted explica ahí en inglés por qué se puso esa nota. ¿Ya? Vale decir, yo considero que merezco el 7 porque estudié, vi todos los videos que mandó el profesor, hice todas las tareas, me preocupé, trabajé, etcétera, pero en inglés. O, por ejemplo, se puso un 4, yo considero que me puso un 4 porque no estuve flojo, no estudié lo que se necesitaba, no asistí a las clases, etc. ¿Ya? Después, el séptimo punto, que son el video. ¿Ya? El video esta vez, porque ustedes hicieron un video el semestre pasado, o hicieron presentación, ¿cómo lo hicieron el semestre pasado?
Fue un video, por lo menos para los de la sección 1 fue un video, donde teníamos
Ya,
que hablar sobre un tema que nos interesara.
ya. Ahora el video va a ser dirigido. Nosotros vamos a darle, yo creo que 2 opciones, y para que lo vayan pensando. Una es inventar un producto y hacer un aviso comercial, ¿ya? An advertisement, ¿ok? In which you create something. La idea de este video es que ustedes creen algo, ¿ya? ¿Ya? Nosotros hemos hecho videos de este tipo antes y los chiquillos creaban su propia, no sé, un producto X, ¿ya? Que, no sé, zapatos que vuelen, por ejemplo, con alas, no sé, cosas locas. Ustedes pueden desarrollar toda su creatividad ahí. Y entonces hacen una, una idea y esa la desarrollan. Por ejemplo, a lo mejor yo antes que les toque eso, les voy a mostrar algunos de los videos antiguos que teníamos, ¿ya? Para que ustedes vean cómo lo hicieron los chiquillos de ese entonces. Esa es una posibilidad. Y la otra es una noticia, que también lo hemos hecho anteriormente, ¿ya? Una noticia, pero una noticia que ustedes creen, que ustedes inventen, que sea positiva. Ojalá positiva. Estamos llenos de cosas malas en estos momentos, cosas negativas. Entonces, la idea, ¿no es cierto?, es que hagan un noticiero con noticias positivas. Podría ser una noticia, o podrían ser 3 noticias, o 4 noticias, y ustedes son los lectores, ustedes tienen que preparar el escenario, ustedes tienen que, o sea, ustedes crean el ambiente,
¿Y eso
¿ya?
individual también?
Eso puede ser en grupo o puede ser individual, porque a lo mejor a ustedes se les podría ocurrir, a lo mejor hacer exteriores, si es que en ese tiempo podemos ya, vale decir, entrevistar a alguien en la calle, o sobre una noticia que dieron antes. O sea, ustedes pueden crear un noticiero, y eso va a depender de cómo estemos también, porque si ya se ha acabado la cuarentena, por ejemplo, ya ustedes pueden salir al exterior y hacer preguntas o consultas o entrevistar a alguien, o ustedes, digamos, se imaginan una entrevista y lo hacen, lo pueden hacer. O sea, aquí tienen plena libertad para ustedes elaborar, ¿ya? Ahora, lo único sí, que si se va a hacer un video, ese video tiene que ser el tiempo igual para todos. Si van a participar 3 o 4, por ejemplo, no puede ser que una persona, no sé, esté 7 minutos y las otras 2 minutos. ¿Se fijan? Ustedes tienen que dividirse el tiempo de tal forma de que no sea exacto, pero sí, por ejemplo, que tengan 4 minutos, 4 y medio, así, cada uno. ¿Ya? Normalmente nosotros le damos máximo 5 minutos. Máximo 5 minutos. Entre 4 y 5 minutos sería lo que ustedes tendrían que hablar. ¿Ok?
Ok.
Y ahí estaríamos con el esquema de trabajo. Eso serían, y ahí están los porcentajes. Eso sería como nosotros trabajaríamos para este semestre. Ya después tendríamos las pruebas, las missing tests, que serían después del diciembre, en la última semana de diciembre. El diciembre 9 sería el writing, el mismo diciembre 9 reading and listening, el 10 el use of English y el 11 el speaking. ¿Ya? Ahora, recuerden ustedes que nosotros vamos a seguir. El semestre pasado, una de las cosas que hicimos en la carrera fue, a pesar de los paros, nosotros seguimos adelante con las clases. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué es esto? Porque nosotros no estamos en paro. O sea, cuando los estudiantes decretan paro, por ejemplo, nosotros vamos a hacer un paro, los estudiantes hacen un paro, los profesores no estamos en paro. Por lo tanto, nosotros tenemos que seguir adelante con nuestras clases, porque es nuestra obligación y porque hay gente que quiere que le hagan sus clases. Por lo tanto, nosotros seguimos en clase, las fechas se mantienen para las pruebas y ahí, eso sí, el que quiera hacer la prueba, la hace. Y si no está preparado porque no ha asistido a las clases, porque está respetando un paro XX, puede hacerlo en esta fecha, que son los missing tests. O sea, supongamos, yo no di la prueba el Use of English 7 y 8 el 25 de septiembre, la doy acá, el 10 de diciembre. ¿Ya? Y de esa forma, nosotros avanzamos, no nos atrasan ustedes, ni nos atrasamos nosotros. Fíjense que en años anteriores nosotros terminábamos a veces en febrero, casi la mitad de febrero teníamos clases por los paros. Entonces pues teníamos la mitad de febrero de vacaciones y volvíamos en marzo. Entonces prácticamente no teníamos clase. Entonces ahora no, ahora como podemos grabar la clase, yo, por ejemplo, esta clase está siendo grabada, al momento que termine yo la subo inmediatamente al Google Classroom y ya ustedes, los que no vinieron, pueden asistir a la clase. Por lo tanto, estarían capacitados para hacer las pruebas igual en las fechas que corresponden. Por ejemplo, el semestre pasado yo hice en segundo año y de los 30 alumnos, me parece que teníamos 31 alumnos, de los 31 alumnos, 16 hicieron todas sus pruebas en la fecha. Y los otros 16 la hicieron, las pendientes, en las fechas que estaban para pendientes. Por lo tanto, nosotros terminamos, al igual que ustedes, en primero, terminamos perfectamente en las fechas que correspondían. ¿Ya? Ok, chiquillos. Entonces, ahora, no sé si tienen alguna duda o consulta que les gustaría hacerme para antes de empezar la clase.
Yo no, por lo menos, profe.
Los demás, ¿alguna duda? No, chiquillos, nunca se queden con dudas, con consultas, tanto en lo que estamos conversando ahora como en la clase misma en inglés. Ya, siempre pregúntenme, yo no tengo ningún problema en contestar, ya, para eso estoy. Ni me voy a enojar, ni nada. O sea, ustedes si no tengan ningún problema en preguntar. Profe, no entendí, profe, cualquier cosa, ya. Así que ahora les reitero si tienen alguna duda, alguna consulta.
No, profe.
Estamos claros entonces. Okay, that would be then, yeah, now I have to know the numbers, okay, the attendance that I have today. I have Axel, Carlos, Catalina, Belén, Díaz, Catalina Rifo, Danae, Danitza, Gabriela, Juliana, Iris, Isidora, Jaciel, Juan Carlos, Villaray, and that would be everybody. There would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people. Is there anybody missing? No, I think. 13 people today. Okay? Anyway, you know that the attendance, la asistencia, the attendance is not, we shouldn't take the attendance, but I'm going to take it anyway, but only as a control that I'm going to have about the people who are coming to our class, okay? But it's not going to be taken. It's only for me, all right? Okay, so let's start with the class. We, as you know, we're going to work with this. I don't have the book, but I have the photocopies, okay? So we're going to start with unit 7, which is about water, okay? Okay, let's start by thinking about the first question here, okay? It says work in pairs and discuss. How do you use water every day? How do you use water? Open question. How do you
take a shower.
Yeah, to take a shower. Good. In what other
Clean the
situations?
things of the house.
To clean the house, yes. In certain cases, yes. What else? To take a shower.
To cook.
To cook, obviously. Okay, you have to cook and you need water. All right. Any other?
Drink, of course.
Yeah. To drink water, you need to drink water, right? That's right. Any other thing?
For the plant.
To water. Yeah, that is a good verb to know. When you regar in English, you say to water.
To water.
Water, yeah. You water the plants, you water the flowers, you water things that are in the garden, you water. That is the verb, okay? To water. Okay, so you mentioned to water the plants, to cook, to take a shower, to drink. You have 4 ideas there, right? Okay, and we still have some other things we need water for. You are all the time with the same clothes?
No.
No, so we use water for or to what?
Clean the clothes.
Yeah, you wash the clothes. To wash your clothes. Yeah, to wash your clothes. And also in the morning, apart from taking a shower, you
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth. All right. So you mentioned 6 things that you do in every day. Okay, to water the plants, to wash your clothes, to cook, to take a shower, to drink, and to brush your teeth. All right. Okay. Now the second question or the second thing that we have in here is how much do you think you use? How many liters of water do you think we use, for example, when you take a shower? How many liters? 1 liter, 2 liters? How much do you think?
Like 10.
10 liters for a shower, all right? Do you all agree? Or do you think that there are another amount?
I think that in my case, we use like 15 liters per day.
15 liters per day, all right, okay. Okay, now about drinking water. How much water do you drink every day? Or do you need to drink every day?
2 liters?
2 liters, okay. What about the rest? Do you agree with that? 2 liters?
Yes, 2 liters per day.
Okay, what about cooking a meal? How much water do you need to cook a meal?
I think less than 1 liter.
Less than 1 liter, all right?
Yeah.
So, do you all agree with that?
No, it's
Depends.
It depends on what? It depends on what?
Depends the meal, the kind of meal that you want to cook.
All right, okay. Juliana, you said you didn't. Why do you think you didn't? You don't agree with that?
I don't say that.
Ah, you don't say that? I thought-
No,
No,
Okay.
it was
Yeah.
it was Danae.
Ah,
was me.
Danae. Okay. Okay. But anyway, some people, Danae, do you agree with that? Someone said like 1 liter or 2 liters, I think. Do you agree with that when you cook?
Yes, more than 1 liter because when you cook, you have to fill the. Oh my God, I don't know how to say. Oh yeah,
The pot.
yeah, you have to fill the
P-
pot.
P-O-T, pot. All right. You have to, yeah, you have to fill the pot with water. So you think you need more than 1 liter or 2 liters. All right. Okay. So we have kind of an idea of what. Okay. Now I'm going to try to put an audio. All right. That says in here. Listen and check your answers to activity 2. Okay. We're going to listen and you try to write on top. You said a bath, a 10-minute shower, drinking water for 1 day, cooking a meal, and washing towels. Do you know towels? What is a towel?
Toallas.
Right, okay. Towels are the one you dry with, the things that you dry with. All right, so try to listen and put on top the number of liters that we use in every of these cases. All right, let's see if it works. This is number 32.
We can hear.
Profe, no se escucha. O sea,
Okay, any question? Can you
sí.
hear?
No,
You can't hear?
no. Tiene que poner ahí compartir audio en alguna parte del Zoom.
Eso está mal. En la parte del Zoom.
Sí,
Aquí
no
dice
estoy
compartir
segura.
pantalla.
Probablemente ahí hay alguna opción de compartir audio también.
Acá. Aquí está.
Compartiendo pantalla debería poder compartir audio.
Sí,
No, no
eso es.
siempre es aparte.
Pero los demás todos no escuchan. O todos escuchan.
No, o sea, yo escucho a los chiquillos, pero no se escucha el audio que usted puso.
Qué raro. A ver. Aquí en la parte del micrófono dice igual que altavoces, están los altavoces igual que el sistema. Y en seguridad, votaciones, chat, compartir pantalla. ¿Qué tal compartir pantalla?
Pero podría compartir pantalla del audio que está poniendo, a lo mejor ahí se escucha. La verdad es que no sé mucho, pero quizás podría servir.
A ver, veamos. Compartir pantalla. Yo siempre los audios los escuchaba y se escuchaban bien. A ver. Ahí estaba. ¿Lo ven ahora el audio?
Se ve, ahora hay que ver si se escucha. O sea, hay que, no sé.
A ver, el volumen está dado acá y está dado acá. ¿Se fijan? Están los dos. A ver, veamos. Ahí. ¿Se escucha algo?
No.
Yo no lo escucho.
Ah, qué lata. Open with. ¿Cómo puedo?
Profe, arriba, ¿no le sale a usted que está compartiendo pantalla como en una cosita verde? Dice que está
Sí.
compartiendo pantalla.
Sí.
Me
Sí.
parece que al lado dice como ver opciones o algo así. Ahí debería salir a lo mejor algo del audio.
Participantes, seguridad de videos, desactivar. Poner en pausa. Anotar. Mira, esas son todas las acciones. Y si dejo de compartir pantalla, es lo mismo. Aquí está la grabación. No sé qué pasará aquí.
Igual creo que si se saca los audífonos del computador, los desconecta y pone el audio, puede que se
A lo mejor,
escuche
eso
como
puede ser.
altavoz.
Eso puede ser porque me estoy escuchando yo mismo. Ya, eso debe ser. Espérate. Espérame, chiquilla. Wait. Okay. Now?
Activity 3.
Ahora sí.
Right. We've just had a water meter fitted.
¿Ahora sí?
So,
Sí, profe.
¿Ahora sí?
Sí, se escucha.
Ya, okay. Okay, let's see.
Listening and grammar focus. Activity 3. Right. We've just had a water meter fitted. So we're going to have to start using less water. I guess we use most water for drinking. You're joking. That's nothing compared to what you can get through by using the shower. Look, I'll get the facts up on the internet. Oh, you're right. Look, drinking water is only about 3.5 litres a day. And that's if you drink as much water as you're supposed to. I don't drink anywhere near that much. I guess the one that uses the most water is the bath. Showers use a lot less water. Actually, 10 minutes in a modern power shower is exactly the same as a bath. 80 litres. I guess that's where we need to cut down. I suppose a 5-minute shower will only use half that amount. What about the washing machine? It's almost the same. 65 litres. But we don't put the washing machine on every day, like we do with the shower. Why is cooking in there? It says 20 litres. Every meal. There's no way you use that much. Easily. Stuff needs to be washed. And then if you boil pasta, you use a lot of water. Yeah, but not 20 litres. Well, that's what it says here. But we're not going to stop cooking.
Okay. I think I'm going to listen.
7.
I'm going to try to show it again for the second time. Okay, listen again.
Focus. Activity 3. Right. We've just had a water meter fitted. So we're going to have to start using less water. I guess we use most water for drinking. You're joking. That's nothing compared to what you can get through by using the shower. Look, I'll get the facts up on the internet. Oh, you're right. Look, drinking water is only about 3.5 litres a day. And that's if you drink as much water as you're supposed to. I don't drink anywhere near that much. I guess the one that uses the most water is the bath. Showers use a lot less water. Actually, 10 minutes in a modern power shower is exactly the same as a bath. 80 litres. I guess that's where we need to cut down. I suppose a 5-minute shower will only use half that amount. What about the washing machine? It's almost the same. 65 litres. But we don't put the washing machine on every day, like we do with the shower. Why is cooking in there? It says 20 litres. Every meal. There's no way you use that much. Easily. Stuff needs to be washed. And then if you boil pasta, you use a lot of water. Yeah, but not 20 litres. Well, that's what it says here. But we're not going to stop cooking. Unit 7. Listening and grammar focus.
Yeah. Okay. So what you listen in there, it was the amount of water that we use in every of these situations. So talking about shower, how much water do we use according to what they say? Could you understand?
Yes.
How much?
I'm not secure, but a 10-minute of shower takes 18 liters per 18 liters, but I'm not secure.
Yeah, it's not 18, it's 80. 80
Eight,
liters, 80 liters. So it's incredible.
80.
80, yeah.
What?
80.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
That's a lot, okay? What about drinking water? How much water do we drink, they say?
3 liter.
3? Yeah, 3?
Yeah, she
Three and
said
a half.
3.5.
Yeah, 3.5 liters. Yes, that's right. 3.5 liters, okay? Do you drink 3.5 liters in general or not? What do you think?
No,
No, how much do you drink, Juliana?
like 2 vasos.
2 glasses.
Yeah,
But
I
that
don't
is
like water.
but that is very little, Juliana.
Yeah, but I don't like water.
But you need to drink liquid. I mean, all of us need to drink at least 2 liters, right? So you should drink more. You have to make the effort. But do you replace water with any other liquid, Juliana?
Yeah, juice.
Juice, all right. What is your favorite juice?
Orange.
Orange juice, all right.
Yeah.
Well, you can replace water with juice or with tea or with coffee. Okay, so that's okay. Okay, now what about cooking? How much water do we need to cook or do we use in cooking? According to what they say.
20 liters?
20 liters. Yeah, we were thinking about 2 or 3. Yeah.
20 liters per meal. That's that's like 60 liters.
Yeah. Okay, so 20 liters per meal. That's a lot. Okay, for example, they mentioned that when you make pasta, you have to use a lot of water, right? And when you cook pasta, for example, you need other things. You make a soup, for example, then you have water too. So yeah, it could be. And finally, what about washing towels? Washing your clothes? How much water?
Oh, I'm not secure, but 6 or 5 liters?
60,
No?
65.
65. That's right.
65. Okay.
65. So we don't know sometimes how much water we use because we just leave the water. Okay, so that's kind of dangerous because for example, in a shower, we leave the water run, and the water runs and runs. And so for that reason, sometimes we use a lot of water, and that is pretty bad. Okay. Okay. Now continuing with the idea of water, I'm going to.
Ay, disculpe, profe.
Yes.
La última, ¿cuál era? 65?
65, yes.
Gracias.
65. Okay. Yeah, I need to share something. Okay. And now we're going to use something from another book, which is Global Digital, and we're going to learn a little bit about these things. Do you know how much water do we have in our body? Because we are composed by water too. Our body has a lot of water inside. Okay? Do you know how much? Does anybody know how much water we have inside? Or
I'm not secure, but I think that I remember that is 60 or 70% of our body is water, but I'm not secure.
60%?
Yeah. How much?
60%?
Yeah, it seems that it's kind of 60% of water, all right? It's a lot. It's a lot. Now, here I have, this is another book that I used to use before, And so we're going to learn a little bit about our body and also about water. Okay, so let's see. We're going to start by okay, in there you have how many parts of the body can you name in English? Work in pairs and complete the words below. It's not necessary to work in pairs, but can you complete this? The first one, this one. What is this?
Arm.
Arm, okay? Your arm. This one?
Back.
Your back, all right. This one?
Ear.
Your ear, that's right.
Elbow. Creo
What
que se
is
pronuncia así.
What is the elbow? This is the elbow.
Yep.
All right.
Finger.
Finger.
Finger. These are the fingers, right? We have 10 fingers. But how do you call them in our feet? They are not fingers in our feet. We don't have fingers in our feet. We have
Toes.
toes. Toes.
Toes.
Toes, yes. T-O-E-S, toes. All right. Okay, then here we have
Feet.
feet. That's right. Here,
Hair.
Hair.
hair, something that I don't have. See, I don't have hair. Okay, so hair. Then
Hand.
hand, that's right. Then here,
Head.
head, my head, okay.
Knee.
Knee, your knee. It's like your elbow, but in your
Leg.
leg. And then you have leg here. And
The nose.
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 All right. Okay, good. Let's continue. We're going to see this now. It says, let me move this a little bit. Look at the words in the box. Decide if each part is inside or outside the body. Right I or O. Okay, in there you have. Let's first, we're going to pronounce these words for you to remember. So repeat after me. Blood.
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 All right. Be careful because it's not blood. It's blood, like an A. Blood. Okay? Okay, blood.
Okay.
Then here you have heart.
Heart.
That's right. Heart. Then you have nails.
Nails.
Right? Then you have bone.
Bone.
Okay, be careful with this. This is a diphthong. It's O. Bone.
Bone.
That's right. The pronunciation of this word is muscle.
Muscle.
Muscle. That's right. Skin
Skin.
and another diphthong, but this is A. Brain.
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 That's right. Okay, so you have blood, heart, nails, bone, muscle, skin, and brain. Yeah. Do you know the words, or is there any word that you don't know or you would like to know? You can ask me.
Nails.
Nails. These are my nails. Okay, I have at the top of my fingers, right? I have the nails in there.
Las uñas.
Right? Be careful
Okay.
because nail is also something that you use to nail something. You have a hammer and you have the nail. The nail. Okay? Do you understand or not?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, a nail is an instrument like this. Sometimes they're bigger, made of metal that you use to put something when you, for example, when you put a picture on the wall, you need a nail. You click it, you hit it with a hammer, and the nail, it's in there. Okay, so these are your nails in your body, but also a nail is a thing like this. All right. What would be nail? The other nail in Spanish. These are nails. And the other nail that I was talking to you, what is it?
Tornillo.
No. Good. No.
The
no, that's a
clavo.
screw. Clavo. That's right.
Ah,
Screw is a tornillo. Screw. Screw.
okay.
Yeah. All right, so we have blood, inside or outside?
Inside.
Heart,
Inside.
nails,
Outside.
outside. Bone,
Inside.
muscle,
Inside.
skin,
Outside.
and brain,
Inside.
inside. That's right. Okay, we're going to go now into the other part. We're going to do a listening here. It says you're going to hear a talk about water and the human body. First, check you understand the words in the box. We're going this box. For example, do you understand the word breathe?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Everybody, if you don't know, ask me please, all right? When you breathe, you do this. I am breathing now. Right? Yeah. Convert. Give me a synonym in English for convert.
Make? Ah, no, que make es como crear. I don't know.
Transform.
Another word that you use to convert or to change.
Turn
Change.
or transform?
Yeah, could be. To convert, to change, to transform. Yeah, factor, I think it is correct because it's the same as in Spanish. Nutrients. Do you understand nutrients?
Nutrientes.
Yeah, right. Now here, this word is temperature. The pronunciation is temperature. Temperature.
Temperature.
That's right. Don't say temperature, right? It's not temperature, it's temperature. The stress is in the first syllable, temperature. So when you sometimes you are sick, you have to measure your temperature with a thermometer. You put it under this part, okay? Or you can put it in your mouth. The body temperature, what is the normal body temperature? Normal.
35 degrees.
35?
36.
I think.
37.
I would say 36. With 37, you are kind of with a fever, right? 38 is fever. 37 could be fever, right? But it's not so difficult. But 38 is fever. 39 is dangerous. 40, yeah, we're really bad. Okay? So remember the pronunciation, temperature. Yeah. Okay, and finally, waste. Repeat, waste.
Waste.
Okay.
Waste.
Do you understand the word waste?
Yes, I do.
Okay. The waste could be different. It could have different meanings, but one of the meanings is the things that you throw from your body. That is the waste. When you eat, you eat a lot of things, and then all those things disappear from your body as a waste. Yeah. Okay. So when you urinate, you are throwing away your waste. When you defecate, you are throwing away your waste. So this is your waste, your pee and the other thing on number 2, right? That is waste.
Como desechos.
Yeah, but your body waste,
Como
right?
residuo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
but because you can, I mean, in here, in this article, the idea is the body waste, the waste from your body, because you have waste, for example, again, this paper, when I throw it in the garbage, it's waste also. But your body waste is what you throw from your body. That is to say, the pee or the other thing. All right. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. So now we're going to do the listening. Let's see if we can do this. Wait just a minute. minute. Here we go. So we're going to listen to this, okay? Remember that you're listening something about water and the human body. Yeah? Okay.
And it's happening again. We don't listen.
Yeah, sorry. I have to disconnect my earphones. Okay, now again, wait. Sorry.
Human beings need water to live. A human being can live for weeks without food, but only a few days without water. We often hear that our body is 2/3 water, but what exactly does water do to help the human body? Water helps to protect important parts of the body, such as the eyes. The brain is 75% water. We also need water to breathe and to keep our body temperature normal. Water carries nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. Blood is, in fact, 92% water. In addition, water helps to convert food into energy and removes waste from the body. It is also very good for a person's skin. Even the bones in our body are made up of 22% water. The human body gets water not only from water itself, but also from other drinks and food. Water is a major part of many foods, particularly fruit and vegetables, which may contain from 85 to 95% water. Because the amount of water we need may change with climate, level of activity, diet, and other factors, there is no one recommendation for how much daily water you need to drink. However, adults typically need at least 2 liters, 8 cups of water a day from all sources.
Okay, now we're going to listen to it again, but now I want you to answer these questions, all right? It says, listen to the talk and write the parts of the body that you hear. Listen again. What do the numbers mean? You have a few days, 2, 2/3, 22%, 75%, 85 to 95%, 92%. So you're going to listen to it again and try to connect these words with something that they say about the body and the water, okay? Listen again.
Human beings need water to live. A human being can live for weeks without food, but only a few days without water. We often hear that our body is 2/3 water, but what exactly does water do to help the human body? Water helps to protect important parts of the body, such as the eyes. The brain is 75% water. We also need water to breathe and to keep our body temperature normal. Water carries nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. Blood is, in fact, 92% water. In addition, water helps to convert food into energy and removes waste from the body. It is also very good for a person's skin. Even the bones in our body are made up of 22% water. The human body gets water not only from water itself, but also from other drinks and food. Water is a major part of many foods, particularly fruit and vegetables, which may contain from 85 to 95% water. Because the amount of water we need may change with climate, level of activity, diet, and other factors, there is no one recommendation for how much daily water you need to drink. However, adults typically need at least 2 liters, 8 cups of water a day from all sources.
All right, now that we listen to it for the second time, for example, what is the relationship of the listening with a few days? What happens in a few days?
You can only live a few days without water.
Yeah, you can only live only a few days without water. Okay, number 2. Anybody?
I don't.
Anybody else?
Adults
We
can
need to drink?
Sorry, Catalina?
Nothing.
Anybody? Yeah, it's 2 liters. What we drink a day normally is 2 liters. That what we have to drink during the day. 2 liters. All right. Okay. 2/3.
The human body is made of 2/3 of water. No,
Yeah. Okay.
sorry.
We are 2/3 of water. Our body has 2/3 of water. 22%. Who or what has 22% of water?
Skin?
I think I can't remember now, but I think it is the bones. Your bones. Okay. 75%.
Water in our brain?
Our brain? Yeah. Okay. 85 to 95%.
Fruits and vegetables can be made by that amount.
Yeah. Fruit and vegetables can have 85 to 95%. And 92?
The blood. The water in the blood? No?
No, I don't think so.
¿Y cuál es la de la sangre entonces?
I don't know. Probably, I don't know, probably, I think 92 is the brain. Well, we're going to listen to it again, but now reading it, okay? In here, I have the reading, okay? So we're going to listen, and then we're going to read it, okay? So you can ask me some questions, all right? With this, we're going to finish today, okay? Listen again, and now we are going to listen and read, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Human beings need water to live. A human being can live for weeks without food, but only a few days without water. We often hear that our body is 2/3 water, but what exactly does water do to help the human body? Water helps to protect important parts of the body, such as the eyes. The brain is 75% water. We also need water to breathe and to keep our body temperature normal. Water carries nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. Blood is, in fact, 92% water. In addition, water helps to convert food into energy and removes waste from the body. It is also very good for a person's skin. Even the bones in our body are made up of 22% water. The human body gets water not only from water itself, but also from other drinks and food. Water is a major part of many foods, particularly fruit and vegetables, which may contain from 85 to 95% water. Because the amount of water we need may change with climate, level of activity, diet, and other factors, there is no one recommendation for how much daily water you need to drink. However, adults typically need at least 2 liters, 8 cups of water a day from all sources.
Yeah. Okay, you were right. Someone
We
was
often
right.
hear that our bodies
Yeah.
It was 92%. I forgot I forgot it now, but 92% was the blood, I think.
The water blood. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, the water that we have in the blood. 85 to 95% is fruit and vegetables. 75% was the brain, I think.
Yes, 75. Water and the brain.
And 22 the bones.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Now here, before we finish, it says here, human beings need water to live. There are some sentences that I would like you to understand, which are very important. A human being can live for weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Very important. We often hear that our body is 2/3 water, but what exactly does water do to help the human body? Water helps to protect. Water helps to protect important parts of the body, such as the eyes. Yeah. And then to breathe and to keep our body temperature normal. Yeah. All right. Okay. I would like, as a last activity, I would like you to read now. Okay. So I can see now some of you, but I don't know. Okay. Let's see, Danitza. Let's start reading, Danitza, from the very beginning. Human beings, read that. I'm going to read it for you up to the point, and you read after that, okay? Listen to me first. Human beings need water to live. A human being can live for weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Read that, Danitza, please.
We often hear that our body is 2/3
No,
water.
from what I read.
Ah. Sorry. Human beings need water to live. A human being can live for weeks without food, but only a few days without water.
All right. Let's see. Axel, I want you to read the next part. I'm going to read first, and you continue. We often hear that our body is 2/3 water, but what exactly does water do to help the human body? Axel?
We often hear that our body is 2/3 water, but what exactly does water do to help the human body?
All right, okay. Gabriela Carrasco. I'm going to read, and you read after that. Water helps to protect important parts of the body, such as the eyes. The brain is 75% water. Gabriela?
Water helps to protect important parts of the body.
I can't hear you well, Gabriela. Can you put the microphone next to you?
Wait. Can you hear me now?
Okay, read. I will try to understand.
Water helps to protect important parts of the body, such as the eyes. The brain is 75% water.
All right. Catalina, Rifo, follow me. We also need water to breathe and to keep our body temperature normal. Catalina? Are you there? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, can you read?
We also need water to breathe and to keep our body temperature normal.
Temperature.
Temperature.
Temperature. Normal. Okay, Juliana. Water carries nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. Blood is, in fact, 92% water. Juliana? Are you there? It seems that she's not there. Millaray, then. Millaray? Okay. Can you read, Millaray?
Me perdí de dónde íbamos.
Water here. Water carries nutrients.
Water carries nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. Blood is in fact 92% water.
All right. Let's see. Wait. Oh, I lost you. Jaciel.
Here.
Yeah. In addition, water helps to convert food into energy and removes waste from the body.
In addition, water helps to convert food into energy and removes waste from the body.
This verb is removes.
Removes. Removes waste from the body.
That's right. Danae. It is also very good for a person's skin. Even the bones in our body are made up of 22% water.
It is also very good for a person's skin. Even the bones in our body are made up of 22% water.
All right. Okay, well, time is up. I think we're going to stop now. Let me see. Yeah. So, people, I want to remember your names because I'm going to so today we have Jaciel, Iris, Danitza, Juan Carlos, Isidora, Danae, Axel, Gabriela, sorry, Catalina, Juliana, Villaray, and Carlos. Okay. Let's see. So that would be all for today. Do you have any questions before we finish?
No, I don't.
Yo sí, profe. ¿Las clases las va a subir al aula, a YouTube o al Classroom?
Classroom. I'm
Classroom.
going to,
Okay.
as I said at the beginning of the class, I have my own page. So you can see it in my own page. Yeah. YouTube page. And also I am going to upload it into Google Classroom. So both are going to be, you can find it in both ways. Today I'm going to upload the class, the calendar with the dates for the tests, and also this reading I'm going to try to upload it with some questions for the class of today. So you have to read the text again and be prepared for next class, all right? Remember that our classes are going to be today, Monday at 9:35, then Wednesday at 11:05, and Thursday at 11:05. These are going to be our classes, okay?
Profe, no entendí. ¿Tenemos que leer un texto para la próxima clase?
Well, I'm going to upload this one, the one that we listened today. Listen to today. I'm going to try to upload it. I don't know if I can copy it and upload it. I'm going to try, okay? That would be all for today. So it's been a pleasure to know you. I would like to see your faces, but nobody wants to show your face. You can, I am the only one who has shown the face, but hopefully I would like you to know you one day, all right? Okay, I have some pictures of Laura and Danitza, but the rest, I don't know. Okay, so that would be all for today. Thank you very much. See you on Wednesday, right? Any question you have, you can ask me, or you can send me an email, or in the Google Classroom, you can also ask me questions. So I hope to have a very good conversation with you at any moment, okay? Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
You have a good day.
Bye.
Goodbye.